Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to Revolut money transfer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Revolut app, and once you're inside your Revolut app you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now on the bottom bar you'll be seeing three buttons. Simply tap on transfer. And once you tap on transfer, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing an option that says new, right? Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing these options, that is bank recipient, card recipient, and so on, right? And now below you'll be seeing an option that says international, send international. Simply tap on that. And once you tap on the international, you'll be seeing this interface. Select destination. Simply choose the country that you want to send your money to or send money. Now let's just assume you selected USA. Now you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now here all you gotta do is just simply enter in your amount, like $100, and then select your transfer method as well. You cannot send it by card as it is in dollars, so you'll be sent transfer method is selected to the bank account by default, and under it you'll be seeing how much charge it will take for the transfer. And once you are done with that, here right beside continue you'll have a button to schedule your transfer as well. Once you tap on that, you'll be seeing this interface like this. Now you can either simply do it manually one at a time, or you can also select transfers like weekly, monthly, and so on, right? Now once you have selected your option, simply tap on continue. Now here you need to enter in the account number of the person that you are sending your money to, and similarly your routing number, and fill up all the remaining boxes as well. And once you are done with that, simply hit on continue, and that's basically how you can Revolut money transfer. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be, and consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.